Wow. Now if we could just get one to jump in the boat. Look over there. They're coming right out of the water.
Oh, there's one down there.
Flipper! Flipper! How do they keep from getting run over? Woo! They like it. They like this stuff. Really? Oh, man. Dolphins out there. So what do you attribute your wildly over-the-top success in achieving this pinnacle of sportsmanship?
Why, it would be Corona Light. There's Edward Milstein. I'm recording you on video.
Swim to the
I just saw like a dark shadow.
Why don't you swim to that?
Swim to that ship, and we'll come back and get you in a week. Look at that, you're in Malibu Ocean.
You're getting your sea legs.
I'm gonna swim up.
I keep like tripping all day.
Sherry.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna zoom in. I've lost my Edward.
There's a shark. Look at, get your cameras out. There it is. Look at.
What?
Oh, right there.
You.
No, I'm saying right there. So get my camera wet. Do you think it's real?
I've never done it in the ocean.
It's not bad.
I've done it in a lake.
I'd rather have two though than you swim the harbor.
Yeah, that's fine. Ocean's a lot more. Too much current. And that's Malibu Pier. Can you see it okay? Looking good over there. CEO. No regret. I like the name.
CEO, yeah.
That's a good one. Look at Sayonara.
Sayonara?
Look at Sayonara. It has that whole upper deck thing going on.
Oh, yeah, see that one.
That one's Portland, Oregon. Wow, it is the house. Your house. You can live on it.
Oh, yeah.
You can live on it.
Yeah, what's Fraser Crane does when he's over here.
Fraser Crane does?
Yeah. And who's the black guy? Lawrence.